Good news to all Zimbabwean content creators. The Facebook. Finally, Facebook yazovhura monetization for Zimbabwe. Welcome back to your channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Zvakaomera Zimbabwean content creators. Vangu vachitokumbira kuti uvhure page uri ku South Africa weza ma details ikoko nekuti Zimbabwe yanga isingabvumiri monetization. So now Facebook monetization policies are available to creators and publishers in many countries, including Zimbabwe. What do you need to be eligible for this one? Unofanira comply with Facebook monetization policies and community standards. Number 2, have a Facebook page or profile with a sufficient audience. A Facebook equals the exact number, but at least 1,000 followers a good start. Okay. Then the third one, meet the required engagement and viewership threshold. For example, 30,000 views in the past 60 days. And then have a valid payment method. Ipapo manje ndo panogona kunetsa. Payment method ne tax information atiziye kuti banking system yekuZimbabwe inoshanda sei, but unogona kushandisa chero PayPal kuti zviite easy. Okay, so how do you get your monetization? Unogona kushandisa ma adverts for videos kana kuti ma ad break for videos. So video yako rikarana poita advert sezvamunongona zvichiitika pa YouTube. Then ma stars kana asi atinopa vana ketina zvamunongoona mese branded content for sponsored post kana affiliate marketing ya unogona kuita through Facebook programs. So guys, monetization policies they are bound to change anytime, but for now the good thing is finally guys, finally, because tatanzwa nekufonera vanhu vari ku South Africa tibatsirewo ndivhurirawo page rangu rakati ende pamwe pacho ndo paunozobirwa page, ndo paunozobirwa mari makorokoto zvokwadi tapinda